What's up? It's Mabel and Guavy, and today we're making easy hummus by Inspired Taste.
There's a few things that Guavy can't eat, and all of the hummus,
we're leaving them out.
Yeah, all of the hummus at the store all had something in it that she couldn't have. Tahini has soy. Some of them had paprika. Some had canola oil. Some had all kinds of stuff. So we're just gonna make our own. So this is what we need today: olive oil, garlic, salt, a can of chickpeas, which we have already poured in there, cumin, fresh lemon, and we're going to substitute tahini for roasted red peppers. And
so I have been rolling this out before we started the video, like this, and you need to do that until it's pretty squishy.
Makes it more juicy and you get more lemon out of it. Okay, so 1 can of chickpeas is already in our food processor. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So what I like to do, I like to squeeze the lemons into, with all this, a bowl so that I can catch the seeds. Actually, let's use a measuring. This is a little easier. Let's use a measuring cup.
How far do I need to fill it?
A 1/4 cup is half of a half, so it's like right here.
There, okay.
Cut that in half.
Did you hear the juice? Oh, it's leaking.
Okay.
I thought it was just all steam coming out.
You're the slowest lemon cutter I've ever seen.
I know. It's not cutting. It's hard.
Okay.
This is...
Get over just a little bit, and I'm gonna be honest, if it wasn't for this recording, I would just eyeball these red peppers because I'm not a fan of measuring, but I'm gonna measure just for you. So we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of red peppers instead of the tahini.
You can do tahini. Yep.
And there's actually, when I was looking up online, there's all kinds of things you could use instead of the tahini. This is the one that we had that I actually like the best. But you could do like sunflower oil, sunflower butter, all kinds of things. So that's a 1/4 cup. And squeeze the other one too. Let me help you squeeze this one.
Yeah. I'm like...
If we have to, we can get our... We have some that's in a jar we can get out. Okay.
That's already squeezed.
We're going to do a small garlic clove, which...
Is that... No, that's not enough.
We have minced, so I'm going to pick out what I think is a clove. Maybe a little bit less. Pop that in there.
So yesterday we did a video and we actually used this.
We did use garlic.
And same thing, we needed garlic clove, but Mom's just like, nope, we're not going to use it. We're going to use this.
You have to wash all the things and you get it all over your hands. And
smells good, but it doesn't taste good.
Smell like garlic forever. So I did 2 tablespoons of olive oil. How are you coming on the lemon juice? You're pretty close.
Ah!
Let's get a little bit more. I thought 1 lemon would be enough. If you guys are making this at home, no, I had a really juicy lemon and that wasn't enough. Okay, so I'm going to pour it in and I'm going to try to...
There's the seeds in
catch
there.
the seeds, yeah.
Why don't you just take them out with your finger?
Well, they're hard to get out. Do you want to try to fish them out? There's a spoon too.
Well, can I just put them in these?
We're going to do a half a teaspoon of cumin. Yes, I will open this. We like cumin around here. Here's a little tip for you.
I dropped it.
If you put cumin in your chili, it makes it a little bit less spicy, and you have to use less chili powder, and it still gives you a really nice flavor. You could also add like red pepper, green pepper, onion. That all kind of helps to get the spice down, because my kids don't like spice. Okay. Salt. It says salt to taste, so what does that even mean? I don't know, but we're just going to sprinkle some in here, and then she can taste it when we're done, and we can see that there's just a little bit. And then it says 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. So we'll get the water.
Lemon tastes good.
Okay. If you're done with that, pour the lemon in there.
Did I just swallow a seed?
I feel like every recipe used in the food processor needs more liquid than what they actually call for. So I have a feeling I'm going to need more oil or water. Maybe it's just my food processors, but we'll see.
Oh, that's a lot.
Okay, so now we're going to snap this on. And we'll let you watch it as we go. Okay? Press one of those buttons. Chop or grind.
Oh, you have to hold it? It's like a reddish color. What?
Shall we look at it and see how we did? Looks pretty good. Do you want to get a
Like a
pretzel
yeah.
and try it? They don't put the red pepper in there.
Smells like that mashed beans. I don't know.
Oh, the chickpeas.
Yeah.
Need more salt? Or more flavor?
Yeah, needs more flavor.
Like more garlic?
I would say more salt and more garlic.
Okay. Should we put some garlic powder and some fresh garlic in there, maybe?
I would
We'll do a
go
little
just
both.
garlic powder.
Okay. Let's see. I just used
Many cabinets.
many spices. If I was doing garlic, where would I be?
There it is. Oh,
Garlic
that's garlic
salt.
That'll work.
We could do that.
How are you supposed to? Oh, right there.
So we're gonna add a little bit of garlic. Actually, that
It's
one's
new.
not, no, it's not open yet. Let's just do garlic powder.
Okay.
We're gonna do garlic powder instead. Garlic powder and some regular salt. So get it sprinkled in there. You probably want quite a lot. Okay. Maybe a little bit more cumin.
Yeah. Add a little bit of everything until you like it.
That's right. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt in there.
Where do you turn this? Okay. Whoa.
You might want a little more salt. Okay.
I think it's done.
Okay, get yourself some more.
Okay, you can do that. Oh, they're right here.
I don't want to take this off yet. We'll show you what it looks like at the end, but I don't want to take it off unless we're done. I know we're done.
I think it's a lot.
There you go.
That's really good.
What do you rate it? 1 out of 10. To pick one number.
I rate it like an 8 or a 9.
Wow. That's pretty good. This will be great for lunches. That look good. And then it said you would dribble a little bit more olive oil on top, so maybe we should plate this in a nice little container.
No,
you don't want any more olive oil on top?
No,
okay.
I don't think it needs any more olive oil.
Yeah, this would be great for her to take for lunches. You like it? Okay. Thank you for joining us. I hope you guys enjoy all of our recipes, and if there's something that you would like to see or know about or want us to try, let us know, and we'd be happy to do anything you suggest. So you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.